So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use exploration manual in Whiteout survival. So if you want to use an exploration manual, you will need to go to your heroes menu. So let's get to heroes. So you can find some infantry camps, lighthouses, hero hall. But if you want to get to your heroes, just go to here. So right there you can see some different heroes that you can recruit, that you can use. So if you want to use an exploration manual, so select some hero. So let's select the first one, and from that point you can tap on skills from the bottom of the screen. So if you open those skills, you can see for exploration, expedition, some other stuff on there as well. So you can select an exploration skill used for PvE, so exploration in the arena, and tap upgrade to use your manuals. So you can check some requirements that they may need, or if it's locked. So you can see quick shot, precise shot. So this is how you can use exploration manual within Whiteout survival. So just make sure that you use those on the skill that you want to upgrade. And as I mentioned before, once you unlock your chief house, you can see some different options that you can use that can boost your heroes as well. So but on here, just choose some hero, go to their skills and upgrade on there one of those skills. In this case, it's going to be exploration. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Whiteout survival or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.